UB2Bs, before I forget about this again, I wanted to make you guys aware of this company. It's called Antique Electronics Supply. I'm sure Brad, the guitologist, could use this information as well as any of you guys that work on your own stuff. I came across this. I don't remember how I found these guys, but anyway, I ordered their catalog, and I was pretty shocked at some of the prices in here. And what they do is they carry all kinds of tubes and amp parts and stuff like that. I can see this is not good. There's a glare here. But man, what caught my eye was, look at the price on these tubes. And I had to get some 6L6. $80, man, for a matched quad. So of power tubes. And then, I mean, they've got everything. They've got JJs. They've got Tube Amp Doctor, Tongue Soul, Mullard, Electro Harmonics, Valve Art, and like I say, Groove Tube, Silvatech. The prices in here are not bad, and that's why I wanted to make you guys aware of them, because I'd like to keep the prices low. I ordered, this is several months ago, I ordered a matched quad of tubes, and these guys are from Arizona, I think. Anyway, it was like 3 or 4 days later they were at my door. I think 3 days. They sell speakers. Speaker prices, it kind of is what it is. Although some of these prices are not bad. But then you get into Celestians. I mean, it just is what it is, unfortunately. 125 for 12-inch greenbacks. But they carry Jensen. What else? A Celestian. What else do they carry? Jensen, Celestian. I guess that's it. Speakers. And then all kinds of capacitors and resistors. And just all the type of stuff that you're looking for when you're working on your amps or whatever. Switches, pots. You know, like I said, prices are push-pull pots right there. Prices are not bad on some of this stuff. Oh, and this here too. I had to order some of these here for a Carbon amplifier. So they've got all kinds, any kind of knob you could think of. And then I think it was Wally in a box not too long ago. He was looking for some rocker switches for a guitar he had. They have them in here. They're, again, all kinds of different three-way switches, blah, blah, blah. So they do carry Switchcraft. And there's their prices on Switchcraft, which, again, not bad. They also carry, here's more Switchcraft jacks, all kinds of different stuff. Reverb tanks. Oh, here you go. Input capacitor, power chokes. Original Marshall equipment there. Original for Fender. And amp chassis. All kinds of different amp chassis. And all the stuff to go around. Look at this. You want to build the foot switch or need to build this foot switch? I mean, look at this, man. $20 for a 2-button foot switch with LED, and you can make what you want out of it, you know what I mean? Different logos and power cords. Oh, and luthier tools. They've got pretty good prices on some luthier tools here, so you have different files, and then they've got here MOD, mod, amp, and effects. I'm not real familiar with this, but I guess that's kind of what they carry as far as effect pedals go. Wave standalone reverb, little tube amp there, British Class A amp, and wire. I mean, these prices here beat the shit out of what you find on eBay and stuff like that for a whole roll, 50-foot spool. And then they do carry some Bigsby trims. They carry pickup kits. You want to build your own pickups. Like I said, a lot of really neat stuff. Tuners. And look at the prices on the Grover tuners. Not too bad, man. Not too bad. Go to Fender. They do carry bridges. So there you guys go. I just wanted to share this before I forget again. Again, it's dun, 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 dun. What is it? Antiques. What is it? Antique Electronic Supply, Tempe, Arizona. Oh, and on the back there again, they do carry all kinds of different Tolex and stuff too, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's what I got for you. Peace.